So a few weeks ago I did a review on this, the Inateck backlit keyboard case. It's absolutely brilliant, I love it, I use it every day, the build quality is brilliant, I can definitely recommend it. I'll leave that link up above. But I've also received these products from Inateck, and these are all USB-C accessories. Now, the world is moving towards USB-C, and so therefore it's vital that the accessories do so too. So with more and more devices using USB-C, it really is important that you've got the charging options available to you. It doesn't matter whether it's a GoPro or a MacBook. Now, this first product from Inateck is a 60-watt charger, and you'll notice straight away that there's two USB-C ports. Now, used at the same time, that will deliver 15 watts of charge from the top one and 45 watts of charge from the bottom. Or just used on its own, it will use a combined 60-watt charge. So therefore it's got an intelligent system built in that recognizes how much charge it should be giving to the individual device, and so therefore you won't damage your device when charging with this option. Okay, so this thing might be small, but it's definitely very mighty. It's the Inateck USB-C hub. It's a 7-in-1 adapter, and it comes in at the moment under £30. Now, on one side you have three USB 3.0 ports, and they are capable of data transfer up to 5 gigabytes per second. On the other side you have a micro SD card slot and also an SD card slot, as well as a USB-C power output which is capable of powering up to 100 watts. On the back there you can see you've got an HDMI port which again gives you the capability of 4K video streaming up to 30 Hz per second at 3840 by 2160. And as you'd expect, this is completely plug and play. It supports hot swap, there's no driver or software required, and it's compatible with Windows 7, 8 and 10 and also Mac OS X and also the Android operating systems. Finally, my friends, if you're looking for something very cheap and very portable, literally you can take this anywhere, then consider this Inateck USB-C hub. It's an on-the-go adapter. It has 4 card slots and 3 USB 2.0. So the card slots are micro SD, SD, MS and M2. You also have a USB A to DC power cable, so therefore if you have got multiple devices you may want to give it extra power to make sure that they're all working. This is completely plug and play. Now my friends, all of the links to all of these products are in the description. Make sure that you check them out for yourself, but definitely the guys at Inateck are providing some really well built, very good quality products which will sort your issues out in the world of USB-C. Thanks as always my friends for watching this video, and I will see you on the next.